Hello, Professor. This is Ali Reza. Regarding your request, sorry about it. I didn't run them. This is lab 3. I want to run each exercise one by one. This is exercise 1. I want to run this. Let's say no. What is the type of your insurance, like life? What is the cost, like 3,000? Yes. It outputs the insurance type and the monthly cost. This is exercise 1, exercise 2. Where was the runnable? Here. Let's say part-time. Enter the tester. Let's say Ali Reza. The total number of partners, like 12. It pop up the salary, the total salary for the tester. Also, yes, it pop up the total salary for the tester. This was exercise 2, exercise 3. I think runnable, yes. Let's say 1 for personal, enter the number, mortgage number 5467, customer name Ali Reza, customer mortgage amount 300,000, enter the interest rate like 3.2, enter the number of term years, 4 years. Let's go for second business, enter the mortgage number 6789, customer name like Shahram, enter the amount 300,000, rate 5.2, enter the interest of 5 years. Let's go again for personal, enter the mortgage number 5678, customer name like Zahra, enter the mortgage amount 300,000, rate 3.2, 5 years. Yes, it outputs the result for me here for Shahram, Zahra, and also for Ali Reza. This was the assignment for lab 3. Thank you, Professor. Have a good day.